Welcome back. The Pakistan cabinet has transferred the operations responsibility of the Gwadar port from Singapore to China. Now the port is located in the Arabian Sea and is a strategic location for trade. And as China moves closer to the Indian Ocean, there are serious concerns over this move, as India could find itself considerably constrained from the security point of view.
It's a port at the meeting point of the Arabian coast and the Persian Gulf. Pakistan's Gwadar port is a strategic location for trade, and in a move that has raised serious concerns for India, the operations at the Gwadar port have now been taken over by China. While China claims this is just a friendly move to help Pakistan, many believe that this latest development could be a sign of China and Pakistan trying to build naval bases to the east of the Indian peninsula. So far, the foreign minister is cautious in his response to the development.
These are things that one should consider in the normal course when we know exactly what we are dealing with, the context, the circumstances, etc., and its implications for us. Not something on which we can give an immediate and a kind of a reflect action.
What's worrying is that China, which has time and again flexed its muscle in the South China Sea, disregarding India's interests. This deal with Pakistan will allow them access to the Arabian coast. The dragon, in essence, triangulating India with its interest in Sri Lanka already known.
Even as Pakistan and China claim that these are commercial interests, India is being very cautious, though India realizes that any commercial interest with regards to China always has strategic interests in it. With video journalist Amit Kumar in New Delhi, Geeta Mohan for Times Now.